Hey guys, it's Tiffany. Welcome back. So today I have my first guest design team project for ZF Party or KLJUYP. If you saw my video yesterday, you know I received my design team package on Sunday. So I did share what they sent me in a video yesterday, and this morning I worked on my first project. Super excited. The die that I used for today's project is the popcorn box die, which is so cute. So it comes with the back piece, which is this piece here. Then you have the part to make the box in the front, and it has the scalloped edge at the top there. So it goes like so. Then you can also make it into a shaker. I didn't make a shaker though, but this would be the piece to make it a shaker. Then you have the stripes for the popcorn box. So they give you 3 stripes here. And then here are the letters to make popcorn, and they are not connected, so I kept them together. So when I cut it out, that's exactly how I used it. And then this is the ovals, and it has a layering piece and a stitched oval there, and that's where you could put, you know, anything you want. You could put the word popcorn, or, you know, put your own embellishments in there. And then these are the popcorn kernels here. Super fun, and they have a lot of stitching on it, so it's really pretty. So that's what I used. Let me put this back before my pieces get lost. And this is what I created. And I think it turned out really cute. It's a nice size box. It's about 7/8 of an inch thick. But here I inked the popcorn kernels. I used my distressed ink in Squeezed Lemonade to make it look buttery, and I did this also for the popcorn embellishments that I made for the summer carnival swap, and because I have a smaller popcorn die set, but it's not a box, it's just a die cut. And here I have some of the popcorns outside, kind of like spilling over in the front. I used pink glitter foam for the word popcorn, and as you can see, the spacing, like I said, I kept the die together because the letters are not connected, and I just popped them out. I put glue on the back, and then I put it on top of the oval, and then I popped them out, and that's how it turned out. So the collection I'm using, again, is Simple Starry's True Colors, which is the same collection I used for the carnival swap that I just did, because I just think this theme just screams carnival to me, or fair. And so yeah, here I layered up the popcorn kernels. The ones in the back are flat, and then the layered ones are propped up, or I cut it out in foam so that it has some dimension. And the stripes here are propped up on some foam too to give it dimension. And then on the side here, just because I just thought I needed something extra on the left side here, just because there's no stripe there, I just wanted to put the kernels on this side and then hang a little dangle. And so this is the dangle that I made. Really quick, just a small one. If you've seen my past video, I do have a tutorial on how I make these, and I make them actually bigger and longer on jumbo paper clips or on key rings, something like this. But this is a mini one, and these are using some of the beads that I have in my stash. And if y'all been shopping my D-stash, these look familiar, especially the painted bead here with the lollipop, the bow. Well, I don't know if I did these bows, but maybe this Saturday I'll share these bows with you all. The peppermint, I believe I did that, and the pinwheels were in the last, maybe 2 D-stashes ago. I had some pinwheels in all different pastel colors, but I used the white in this one. And this here is I don't know how you would say it. It looks like a cloud is in the bead. It also looks like a crackle bead as well. It's just really pretty. It's a pretty ice blue. And then here is a bicone bead here, and just some spacer beads. So yeah, so I thought this would be really cute to hang on the side. So like that. And then it's ready to go. Put some embellishments in there, some die cuts, maybe store-bought goodies. It's just a really nice side. You can put a lot of things in this box. I really, really love it. So I'll link the store, their AliExpress store down below. I looked on Amazon last night and I didn't see these in the Amazon store, but I'll check again today. And if it's there, I'll go ahead and link that down below as well. Thank you all for stopping by. Have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye.